Yo viewers, here is a VN. This is a 12-inch table or a desk VN. It's a Midea product. I don't know what the branding would have been. Could have been SMC, could have been Hawaiian's Breeze, could have been Hampton Bay even. Looks like this was painted at some point, so I don't know what the brand was. The model number is unknown, and the date code is 2002 or 2003. Got this out of the trash, and I've used it here in the bedroom pretty much all summer, and it's been a great fan. I really like these cases where I get something that was dumped and I turn it back into something that pretty much anybody would have a use for. And of course I like Midea fans anyways, so that makes it even better. I may repaint the guard again, or I should repaint the guard again, because it's got a couple of spots that are coming off. I think it's kind of rusted on the inside. Not too bad. But if I was to do that, it would look pretty much pristine. The buttons must be made of a different kind of plastic than the rest of it, because the zero has yellowed, and I don't think much else has. Now the knob has, and the tilt adjustment thing has, but everything else is fine still. The bearings on this are getting a little bit tired. They're rattly at certain angles. I tend to think that replacing the thrust washers may solve that problem. I did obtain some thrust washers, so I may give that a try at some point and see if I can quiet it down. Still runs just fine even with the noise. So let's get this thing plugged in. I gotta move the power bar out. I haven't been using this for the last couple of days because it's not really hot anymore. In fact, I was just finna put it away, so I wanted to do a closing video of it before the end of the year. Okay, it's plugged in now. Let's go ahead and power it on. Let's start off on the low. There's the rattling sound. It's slightly annoying, but I've just kind of been living with it. I find this to be very powerful for the 2002 era. I would say it was definitely above average. If we tilt this up on the tripod, so you have to bear with me for a moment. If I tilt it back like that, noise goes away. So I definitely think it's a thrust washer issue. I don't use it like this because I want it to draft towards where I work at the computer. So I kind of put it like that, you know, for using it over there, and that's when it makes the noise, but it's what it is. I can probably fix it. I think the oscillations work just fine. I never really use them. Yeah, that's working fine. Pretty smooth too. As with many of the older SMC or Midea fans, actually this doesn't work that way. You used to be able to turn this and it would change the angle. I guess this one doesn't do that. Pretty sure the TH12 does that and the TH16. I know the TH12 does. Probably the 16 as well. Okay, let's go up to the medium. and the noise persists, it gets a little bit louder, I think. I always used it on low. That did seem to get a fair bit louder on medium. Now it's moderately annoying. But it's very powerful. You go all the way across the room here, and there's still a strong breeze. Okay, and lastly the high. And on high the noise kind of gets drowned out by the wind sound. Trying to get this to be at the right angle to move the plants. It's really quite impressive for what it is. Okay, and we'll cut it off. I'll do the oscillations on high, and then we'll cut it off. It's making some weird noises. It's got a nice slow oscillations on, even on high. Okay, and off. I haven't used in a week or two. I guess the bearings are going to need to be oiled again.